All right, what's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be comparing Ethereum to Bitcoin, okay? And basically what I am trying to give you guys is a breakdown of the crypto market in a whole, okay? A few people and certain people believe in the theory that Ethereum will one day overtake Bitcoin, right? And me, personally, I think that Ethereum has much more scale capability, and Bitcoin is a little bit more of a store of value. All right. And so I think that Ethereum's value can grow more exponentially, whereas Bitcoin will remain a little bit more stable, okay, as more of a stable form of value. All right. And that is basically going off of the upgrade coming to Ethereum 2.0, which launched December 6th, I believe. Anyways, it launched early December. I have a video covering the beacon chain and Ethereum 2.0. You can look at that in the top right hand corner. But as we're looking at the chart, what I want you guys to realize is this is our major resistance level on the monthly chart. Okay, right here. And if you notice, we have perfectly come up to that right now. At the time of this recording, we're exactly at that resistance level. Okay. Now, I am bullish on crypto. Okay. But let's say for some reason crypto does pull back. Okay. And we drop, we drop. Okay. If we fall down and then recover and find support, that's going to form a monthly cup and handle. All right. So, while I am bullish and I do want let's say maybe like a rally in January, I'm also prepared if we don't have that. All right. So if we do pull back, I'm going to realize, hey, if crypto has a couple months of bearishness, okay, because this is a monthly chart, and if crypto does happen to pull back, then this is going to be a nice cup and handle formation as long as we can stay above, this level right here. So that's one thing I want you guys to keep in mind. The other thing is if we zoom in a little bit, let's say maybe to like a daily chart, right? This thing looks super, super bullish. Okay. So, we had our 2018 crash, okay, May 2018. All right. Crypto market tanked. We hit our lows. And now we're starting to recover, and it's had this huge bull run, okay, ever since 2021, end of 2020, right? Dogecoin, everything, everybody knows that the end of 2020 was just amazing for crypto and stocks and just meme stocks and everything in general, right? So then it falls back dramatically, has another insane mega giga run, and now we pull back, but we're consolidating more. So we're not seeing you see, like previously here, okay, we ran up hard and then we fell back just as hard, okay, and then we consolidated and started to run. We're not pulling back as hard, okay. We're pulling back 30-40%, but we're not dropping 60-70-80% like it used to do, and then run up 300-400% and then pull back 60-70-80%. We're starting to see some a little bit less volatile pullbacks on crypto. And if you look, it's continuing to make higher lows. And overall, I think that in the future, more of the pretty much everything is going to run off of the Ethereum network. There's a lot of different forks and bridges and things like that that connect to the other different blockchains. I definitely highly recommend investing in some other blockchains besides Ethereum. But overall, Ethereum, when it comes to crypto, think of Ethereum as like a blue chip tech stock. Okay. Ethereum and Bitcoin, Bitcoin might be the S&P, for instance, right? Where it's a little bit less volatile and it may not grow as much as the tech sector, maybe let's say Ethereum, but Bitcoin is a little bit more stable and it will not see as much as a dramatic drop as some of the other altcoins, right? And so, Ethereum is in a sense the, NASDAQ version of the Bitcoin. All right. It's essentially the, tech sector of it, because Ethereum is something that people actually use. Okay. The smart contracts and all of these things, the proof of stake. All right. This is a platform that many other technologies, projects are running off of and using. They're using the Ethereum blockchain, right? So those, Ethereum in a sense is really where you want to go. And I really love Vitalik Buterin. Okay. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right, but I don't think that this guy who's claiming to be the Bitcoin founder is really the Bitcoin founder. Okay. There's a whole conspiracy behind that, but you know, I personally don't think it's him. We do have a little bit of a head and shoulders, which is why I'm saying that, hey, if we do pull back, don't be too scared. Okay. We have a head right here, we have a left shoulder, we have a right shoulder. This almost looks like our neckline right here, this trend line. If we break below this level, we could see crypto fall. And I'm not worried about that. I'm looking for crypto to fall as much as it can so that I can get some more. But I'm personally bullish on crypto. I think it's going to keep going higher. I don't mind if you average down. Crypto hasn't been doing necessarily the best as of recently in December. So if you are looking to maybe get in a little bit more of a position, and you're a long-term investor when it comes to crypto, because that is the best way, okay guys, is to find actual projects and find actual coins that serve a purpose and have like true utility. And there's a lot of good stuff. Okay, if you look at like Origin Protocol, things like Safe Key, things like Meta Hero, Polygon, um there's so much. Okay, there's so many. There's DeFi, there's yield farming, there's so many different ways to make money with crypto. And what you need to do is really research and find out, hey, what are actual solid projects that have insane growth potential because they have key founders behind them. Like, if you got people who started companies like PayPal, like, okay, wait, you mean to tell me that the co-founder of PayPal started a crypto company? Did you guys know that the co-founder of PayPal, right? The original co-founder was Elon Musk, created Tesla, created Neuralink, created SpaceX, right? Who's the other co-founder? Do you guys know about him? He created Origin Protocol. Origin Protocol is one of my favorite cryptos and one of my highest long-term investments. Okay. Their protocol is very, very well done, and it's backed by industry leaders, people who are industry leaders proven over time in the fintech area. All right. So they're transferring from fintech into the crypto space and just revolutionizing DeFi and the crypto community as a whole. There's several protocols I like. If you guys want to know more about them, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, you guys can watch this video on OGN. That's Origin Protocol. I have a very nice stablecoin, or some of my other categories. I have metaverse investments or stock investments.